And I am Stephanie.
And I am Eliza.
We will be your tour guide for this day, and we are here in Angono. Did you know that the name Angono, according to the first migrants, is from different legend, which became a folktale, which until now is the belief of many people. Some people have different versions, as they call it Anggo Adlo, because of the existence of many cows and carabaos in the place. Others call it Ang Nuno, which refers to as the old man that lives in the Balitan. He happens to know everything about the place where residents or visitors will ask him any information.
Do you know what is the most popular in Angono? Angono is known as an art capital of the Philippines. And now we're going to a museum of the most popular artists. Now we're here in Angono Blanco Museum, one of the famous gallery in Angono.
Hello guys, we are here in Blanco Family Museum, and this picture taken by Blanco. The title of this picture is King Photo Art. The center of gravity surely is Jose Blanco, better known as the dog in Angono, the prodigious painter of people and trees. He is the fulcrum of a family of artists, together with the light of the home, his wife Lori, Glenn, Noel, Michael, Joy, Jandy, and Peter Paul are all precious artists in their own right, making the Blanco Garden a unique collective village. They carry both province of the and religion. Yes, you know the history and discussing now.
Here entering Glenn P. Blanco. Glenn P. Blanco is the first child of the Blancos. He was born in February 1962. He was named after American astronaut John Glenn, who made his first space flight that year. In 1967, he entered San Clemente Kindergarten School and later finished his elementary schooling at Angono Elementary School.
Now we're entering to Noel P. Blanco paintings.
Noel P. Blanco, the second child and son of the Blancos, was born on December 24, 1964, which explains his Christmas name. With only 2 years apart, Noel grew up very close to his elder brother Glenn.
And now let us proceed to his grave.
So, this is the art of Michael P. Blanco. I read its information. Michael P. Blanco was born on July 21, 1966. At the age of 10, he discovered his inclination of drawing. The following year, in 1977, his father started an intensive program of teaching the children to paint. They did exercises in landscape, still life, and life model drawing. And this is the painting of Michael P. Blanco. This is awesome. Take a look. Come on. Take a look. I can imagine that you're doing the young age. So look busy. Joy P. Blanco Balsita, the first Blanco daughter in the North child, was born on February 1968. Created this old painting. She was amazing. She's face is very amazing. Joey Blanco is the fifth child and fourth son of Jose P. Blanco. This painting is written by him.
from the University of Santo Tomas in 1955. Winning first prize for his graduation thesis. In 1961, he married Loreto Petario Perez, also from Angola. So as you can see, all of these abstracts created by him.
So tilapia, look at this. This is tilapia. You know tilapia?
Some artists of Angola.
You see that they're
SBI has read for you the one most popular visa, which is Angono, and you discover the famous museum. Hope you enjoy it. Adios!
Put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging.